Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought a special recipe, pulao. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, you can try this recipe any occasion time. You can make this recipe within 30 minutes at your kitchen very easily. You can try this recipe in any occasion like Diwali, Navaratri like this. Also, you can try this recipe with paneer kalia or paneer sabji or potato curry or any type of vegetables. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. Also, if you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's go. For making this recipe, first I take atto rice or you can take any type of small rice from the market. After that I take 4 bay leaves, then I take cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper and cloves. Then I take white cumin paste. After that I take ginger and green chili paste. After that I take raisins. Then I take peanut and cashew nut. After that I take ghee and white cumin and salt and turmeric powder. Now I take a pressure cooker and give the ghee into it. After that I heat it little more. Then I give the 4 bay leaves into it. Now I will fry these bay leaves till it become golden brown. Our bay leaves become golden brown. Now I give some oil into it. Now I heat this oil very nicely for little more. After heat it little more, now I give the white cumin into it. Now I will fry it little more. After frying it very nicely, now I will give the peanut into it. I don't give any cashew nut now. Now I will fry this peanut into the oil very nicely. After fry the peanut little more, now I will give the cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper and clove into it. Now I will fry it little more. After frying it little more, now I will give the ginger, green chili and white cumin paste into it. After frying it little more, now I will give the salt and turmeric powder into it. After that I will give some rice into it. Now I will mix this rice with the mixture very nicely. After that I will give the rest of the rice and mix the rice with all the ingredients very nicely and fry it little more. You can see how to mix the rice with the masala ingredients very nicely. You can see I mix all the rice with the masala ingredients very nicely. Now I will fry it little more for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see I fried the rice with the masala ingredients very nicely. Now I will give the water into it. Remember, how much you take the rice, you have to give double amount of the water. I take here 500 grams of rice. So I give here 1 liter of water. Now I will give some salt into it. Now I will mix the salt with this water very nicely. After that I will give the raisins into it. I mix all the ingredients with the water very nicely. Now I will put the lid of the pressure cooker and tight it and wait for the first seat of the pressure cooker. You can see our first city has come. I don't give any another city now. Now I will make the flame low and heat it for 2 minutes more. After heat it 2 minutes more, now I will remove the city of the pressure cooker. After removing it, now I will put the gas off and leave it for 5 minutes to make the pulao very nicely. After 5 minutes, now I will remove the lid of the pressure cooker. You can see our pulao makes very nicely and it looks so delicious. Also you can see our pulao become very soft. You can see it. Now I will put this pulao on a plate and serve it. So friends, our today's recipe tasty pulao is ready to serve. You can see it looks delicious. Now I will decorate this cashew nut above the pulao and make this very tasty. You can try this recipe at your home and comments me how tasty it is. Also, if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.